So how do you multiply two binomials using the box method? Well, first I'm going to take my first binomial and I'm going to separate this. I have x I can put on the top and I have positive 2. Next I have my other binomial and I can place it on the row. So I have x and a positive 3. So I want to fill in all the boxes that you see in between. So I take x times x and that will give us x squared. 2 times x will give us 2x. X times 3 we'll have 3x, and 3 times 2 we have 6. So notice how these two here are like terms. So we're going to place all of our binomials together. So I have x squared plus 2x plus a positive 3x and plus a positive 6. So we're going to combine these two like terms. So we end up with x squared plus 5x plus 6.